he doesn't have a penis. All right? Jamaican men don't have penis. Men in Jamaica don't have penis. Hi No Limiters, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cindy No Limits. No limit because there is no limit to what you can do. From you perceive it, you can achieve it. If you're here for the first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. And it's very easy for you to become a No Limiter. All you have to do is subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, as you can see by the title of today's video, we are going to be talking Jamaican. And this will be part 1, episode 1, season 1, section 1. This will be the first part of us talking Jamaican. Today, we are going to be talking about the body parts of a Jamaican. Because I'm sure you know your body parts, right? And I'm sure you think that Jamaicans, we have the same body parts that you have. Well, I'm here to inform you today that that is not the case. In Jamaica, we have body parts that others don't have and that others don't know about. So I am going to be educating you today because that's what I do. I educate, I inspire, and I entertain. So today, I'm going to be educating you about the parts of a Jamaican, the body parts of a Jamaican. Now I'm going to be checking my device because I don't want to leave anything out. All right? Because guess what? We Jamaicans, we make different. We are made different. Now, to start, we're going to start at the top. Up here, we have our head top. So this is our head top. And then, after our head top, we have our head side. So we have one head side over here, and we have one head side over here. And then, I'm sure you know what this is. You are going to say it's a forehead, right? Forehead? Well, this is forehead. In Jamaica, this is your forehead. All right? Now, we move down to here, and we're going to ask, what is this? And you're going to say, it's my ear. Well, this is not ear in Jamaica. This is ears. This is ears. And our ears, it has a ears hole. So this is the ears, and inside the ears is the ears hole. So in Jamaica, we have ears and ears hole. Alrighty. Then we are going to move down to this. And you're going to say this is your nose, and it has 2 nostrils. Well, this is our nose in Jamaica, and we have 2 nose hole. 1 nose hole, 2 nose hole. So we have 2 nose hole. This is the neck. We have a neck, we do, but we also have neck back. Neck back. And persons in Jamaica will use that to tell you off. Like they will say, move your neck back, or your neck back, or, you know, something like that. You know, so, yeah. So we have neck back. Now, persons in Jamaica with a certain hair length, they don't have long hair. All right? In Jamaica, we don't have people with long hair. We have people with tall hair. So if your hair is a certain length, it is going to be tall. All right? So it is tall hair. This is the mouth. All right? In Jamaica, we don't have mouth. We have mouth. And then we have mouth corner. 2 mouth corner. Yes? All right. Moving down a little. And we are going to go here. And you're going to say breast. Well, in Jamaica, we don't have breast. We have titty. So we have titty. Titty. All right. We also have a navel. So you, who are not from Jamaica, you maybe have a navel. We don't have navels here in Jamaica. We have navels. So navel. So I have a navel. Me have navel. All right. And we also have navel string. Navel string. Yeah, Now you know. Below our navel, we have belly button. We belly button. This is your hand, right? We have hand middle. So right here, are we hand middle? Around here, are we hand back? Yes? All right, now down that part where ladies find their VJJ, ladies in Jamaica now have vagina. We have pum pum, we have crutches, and the little ones, the little girls, they have porky. So like me have a pum pum, I have my crutches, are my crutches, and the little ones, they have porky. Alrighty? Now, for a male, a Jamaican man, he doesn't have a penis. Oh no, he doesn't. He has a body. Yeah. So my husband, he have a body. Yeah. My brother, he has a body. Yeah, man. Uncle, body. And they don't have balls. Oh no. They don't have balls. They have seed bag. They have seed in the seed bag. Yeah. Around the back there, where you have your bottom, we have body. And with body, have two body jaw. So with body, have two body jaw. Yeah. Alright? And then we move down to, I left out the back. So our back has a backside. This backside we have. Yeah. Yeah, man, backside. You have back? Jamaicans, we have backside. Alrighty. And then, I know you have 1 foot and 2 feet. And I'm talking about the persons who are not Jamaicans. You have 1 foot and 2 feet. Well, fine with your 1 foot and your 2 feet. Because in Jamaica, we have 2 foot. 2 foot. Yeah. Now you know. 2 foot. We have a knee cup. Yeah. We have a knee cup. You didn't know? Well, now you do. We also have heel string. We have heel back. We have foot back. We have foot bottom. Yeah. So those are the parts of Jamaican body. Alright? The body parts of Jamaicans. Head top, head side, forehead, ears, ears hole, nose, nose hole, mouth, mouth corner, neck, neck back, yeah? Titty, navel, navel string, yeah, yeah. Body with body jaws, and then we have belly bottom, and the ladies, them, well for me, may have pum pum, crutches, and a little girl would have porky, and for a man, he has body, 2 seed and a seed bag, yeah, and then knee cup. So I have 2 knee cup, pa me 2 foot them, and me have heel string, yeah, heel back, me have foot back too, yeah. So those are me have foot bottom, yeah. So those are the parts of the Jamaican, the body parts of a Jamaican. So if you didn't know, now you know. Alrighty? You see, when you come over to Cindy No Limits, you are educated. Because you were just educated about the body parts of Jamaican. Alrighty. Thank you for being a part of the No Limits family. Thank you for subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. And for those of you who are now watching, and you are not commenting, you're not, well, you comment. For those of you who are watching, and you make the little one comment, but I know you're still watching, continue watching. Alright? Thank you so much for being a part of the No Limits family. Again, I must say, I love you. I appreciate love you. Alright? Blessings. Stay warm, stay dry, stay nice and cozy. Alrighty. If you can listen to my background, you will hear some music playing in my background, and you'll also hear the little rain falling outside there. It's night, so I'm just going to lay down and just listen to my neighbor playing some nice souls, you know, some 80s, 90s souls. I'm going to do that and listen to the rain falling outside. You stay warm, stay dry. All right. Until next time. One love, blessings always. Peace.
She draw closer to me and said to me,